Managing money as a student is crucial for financial stability. Here's a brief guide. Budgeting. Create a realistic budget outlining your income and expenses. Track your spending to stay within budget. Emergency fund. Build an emergency fund for unexpected expenses. Having a financial safety net can prevent the need to rely on credit cards or loans. Student discounts. Take advantage of student discounts on software, transportation, and entertainment. Many businesses offer special rates for students. Part-time work. Consider part-time employment that aligns with your schedule. It can provide income and valuable work experience. Limit credit card use. If you have a credit card, use it responsibly. Pay your balance in full each month to avoid interest charges. Credit cards can help build credit when managed wisely. Financial aid and scholarships. Explore all available financial aid and scholarship opportunities. This can significantly reduce the financial burden of education. Cooking at home. Eating out frequently can strain your budget. Learn to cook simple, budget-friendly meals at home to save money on food. Public transportation. Use public transportation or consider alternatives like biking or walking to save on commuting costs. Avoid impulse spending. Be mindful of impulse purchases. Differentiate between needs and wants to make informed spending decisions. Financial literacy. Educate yourself about financial literacy. Understand student loans, interest rates, and basic investment principles to make informed financial decisions.